Ready to move your Barclays banking to a fresh new phone? Let's get you logged in securely and smoothly. First things first, you'll need your existing Barclays mobile banking login details. That's usually your memorable word and some memorable numbers on your new phone. Download and install the Barclays mobile banking app from your device's official app store. Once it's installed, tap to open it. You'll be greeted by the login screen. Tap on the Login or Sign In option here. You'll enter your usual memorable information. This typically involves typing in your memorable word, and then selecting a few numbers from your memorable card number. Carefully enter your memorable word, ensuring it's exactly as you set it up. Be mindful of any capitalization. Next, you'll be asked to select your memorable numbers. Follow the on-screen prompts to choose the correct digits from the displayed card. Representation accuracy here is key. Now, for added security, Barclays will likely send you a one-time passcode. This could arrive via SMS to your registered mobile number, or you might receive a notification directly through the app on your old device if you're still logged in there. Carefully enter this passcode into the field provided on your new phone. Double-check it for typos before submitting. This confirms it's really you setting up the app on a new device. And just like that, you're in. You should now see your account overview for future logins on this device. You might be prompted to set up fingerprint or facial recognition for even quicker and safer access, depending on your phone's capabilities. If you encounter any issues, remember to visit the official Barclays website for their comprehensive support guides. Welcome to your new Barclays app experience.